Hi guys, you are welcome to sujfashion YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be making this beautiful reversible bonnet cap with ruffles at the edge. It is easy to make and beginners friendly. So if you are watching our video for the first time, you are most welcome. Please consider subscribing to this channel to join the community, and also hit the notification bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Okay? And to my old subscriber, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for always keeping this video going, and thank you for always watching the video. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Okay, I see you guys. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Welcome back guys. To make this reversible bonnet cap, you need the two satin fabric or any fabric of your choice, but it must be two different fabric. Okay, two different material we do. So one will serve as the main fabric of this satin bonnet, while the other will serve as the lining. Okay, use whatever you have. You can use African print, but me, I'm using satin material. Okay, the first thing we need to do now is to fold our fabric into two, then we'll further fold it into two again. That's making it into four, like you see me do in this video. So my fabric is now folded into 4 equal parts, just like we are cutting a 360-degree cycle. Okay, and start your marking from the folded part. Okay, so starting from the center front, I went ahead and marked a radius of 15 inches all around from this folded edge. And once I'm done, I'm going to connect all my markings together, and after connecting it together, I'm going to cut this out. You see, why I use 15 inches is because this is a large bonnet. So depending on the size of the bonnet you are making, you can use 14 to down to 10 inches. So depend on you. So as you can see now, I have my 360 cycle. The next we are going to open it up now. When we open it up now, we'll see we have a very big cycle. Okay, that is what we want to achieve. So after that, I'm going to use this as a template to cut the other one. As you can see in the video, I've already placed it on the black satin, right side facing. Okay, so the next thing, I'm going to pin it all around, because I do this method because to save time. Okay, to save time. But if you want, you can use the first method as a template to cut your own. Just fold it the same way we fold it and cut it. As you can see, I've already cut it. I pin it and cut it out. Next thing, I'm going to mark half inches, because we are going to sew all around with half inches. Okay, so I'm going to mark it half inches all around. After marking it, I'll make sure I leave some space, about 3 inches or 2 inches thereabout. So as you can see in the video, I'm just trying to arrange it so it will be easy for me to sew in my sewing machine. Okay, so now, like I said, I pin it out and I cut it out. I use the first cycle as a template. If you want, you can just fold it the same way we did the first one and cut it out. So whatever work for you, work for you. Okay, so now look at the space I left. I left about 2 inches there that I'm going to use to turn it after sewing. So I'll take this to my sewing machine and stitch it down by half of an inch, and I'll come back and show you guys. So guys, as you can see, I've stitched it down and I also left that space. Okay, then the next thing we are going to do now is to notch it all around. So guys, please, while notching this thing, be careful not to cut the thread that you sew. Okay, then after notching it, we are going to turn it inside out. Guys, please, a quick one. If you have watched to this point and you have not liked this video, I'm judging you now. What are you waiting for? Please like this video. like the video. Please like the video, and also comment on this channel. Comment. If you comment, YouTube will push this video to people that need it. Okay, and if you have any suggestion, you can leave it in the comment section, but a positive one. Okay, help this channel to grow, and we really appreciate it. Also, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and join the community. Okay, so after turning it, this is what I have. The next, I'm going to give it a very good press, and the cycle will come out nice and beautiful. Okay, and now this is the result after ironing it. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to mark 1.5 inches all around the cycle for the ruffles. Okay, so this 1.5 inches depend on you, sha. If you can use 1 inches. Here I lost the video clip. I didn't know it wasn't recording, so I will continue with this one. Okay, because I was making two, sha. After marking the 1.5 inches, we go up and mark 3/4 inches. That 3/4 inches will serve as our elastic casing. Okay, I'm going to use to pass our elastic. And once you are done, take it to your sewing machine and sew on the mark we gave just now. Okay, note, on the 1.5 inch line, don't stitch it down close. Okay, leave about 3 inches space to enable you pass the elastic, but ensure that the space you are leaving is in line with the opening you use to turn this fabric inside out. Okay, so guys, I have gone ahead to stitch it down, but I still left that space open because that is where we are going to pass our elastic through. Okay, while on the second line, that is the 3/4 inch, I stitch it closed. Next, I have my elastic band here, and it's 1/2 inch elastic. Now just measure around your hair circumference and minus 2 inches from whatever you get. Okay, mine is 21.5 inches, so I'm going to minus 2 inches from it. It will give me 19.5 inches. Then you don't want your bonnet to be tight or loose, so you have to minus 2 inches from whatever you measure. Okay, next, I'm going to take my safety pin and fix the elastic at the edge. Then I'll use it to pass it on that channel we created. Okay, so while passing it, ensure that you hold the other edge so that it will not go inside while passing your elastic. Okay, so after passing it, you can see what we have. We are going to distribute the elastic evenly, okay, around the bonnet. Next, we are going to sew it. Now you can take it to your sewing machine and sew, or you can tie it, but ensure that whatever method you are using, that you make it very tight so that you will not have your bonnet cap loose after sewing, that is after closing everything. So after sewing it, you can see what I have. I'm going to distribute it evenly on the bonnet cap now, and we are almost done. Okay, the next thing we are going to do now is to locate that part we left. That part we left, we are going to locate it now and stitch it down. We'll take it to our sewing machine and stitch it, and I'll use hand stitches to finish up the rough edges, and we are done. So guys, this is the finished look of this bonnet cap. You can see it's very full, very nice. Okay, and look at the black one. Okay, you can see they are all full and nice. And you know the funnest part, this thing is very easy to make. Okay, it's very easy, it's beginner friendly, so you can try it. Anybody can use this. Okay, man and woman can use it. Okay, all those my fine brother that used to make their head, just grab one, and we also sell it. Okay, so if you cannot do it by yourself, or you don't want to go to the stress of climbing the machine and all that, you can order, and you can order yours online. Okay, we'll deliver it to you. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Okay, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Like and share my video to people that will need it, and also watch other DIY video on my channel. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.